How you doing? I'm Tim. Today we got a new-ish girl group here. They debuted this year. This is their first comeback called You'll Be Mine. I heard the teaser for this and it sounds hella catchy, hella cute, but also like a low-key kind of banger, dude. So I'm pretty excited for this. So let's get straight into this. All right, let's go. All right, so we're trying something new here. This is a standing one for me. Just let me know how this is compared to the usual format. It feels a little weird, but yeah, I'm just trying to experiment, you know. So let's okay, yeah, we'll keep it at that. All right, nature, you'll be mine. This will be my reaction to it. Let's see how it goes. Hey, hello. Okay. Ding. Yeah, looks good. Lots of colors. Oh, so colorful, dude. Oh, hey. Oh! It's catchy, dude. Already. What was that? Was that Chick-fil-A? Dude, I'm loving this trend with how they mix like the old school and the new school filming. Hey, it's catchy, man. It's so colorful. It kind of reminds me of like Bulbagan's, one of Bulbagan's music videos. Hey. Oh, she's so pretty. Whoa. Who is that? She kind of reminds me of Yuki from G-Idol or Idol. Oh, that's hype as hell, dude. Yo, what? Do you see that dance? Holy. That's amazing. Dude, the cutest club banger, man, for sure. Definitely a big fan of this group now, man. Oh! Okay! Get it! Yo, they're killing it, man. Okay, that fit. Whoa, that's the most unique look I've ever seen. The spicy look. Loving this rap line, man. Bang. Oh my god. Okay. This needs to go big, dude. I'm loving all of this. Bro, dude, this dance, this choreography is so good, man. Please, someone please do a dance cover for this, man. This is golden, man. There's so much hype behind this, man. But like the La La is so cute too. So did she just? She just did that. Unbelievable. You know, whatever. I thought K-pop has already moved past this phase, but. Oh, okay. The vocals. All right. Hey. Dude, the way they ramped this up, it's so good. So excited. Go off. Oh, I like her, man. Oh, shit. Hold up. That was too much. Oh my god. Nah, you know what? Wow. Dude, this is such like a guilty pleasure, man. I'm almost over. Like it's 2 AM right now, but I'm too hyped right now, man. Oh, amazing, bro. Who's that? Is this a teaser for like another boy group? Oh my god. Okay, first off, click right here to see the original music video for them. Dude, show your support for this group, man. It's already been like over 4 hours. This song only has like 6,000 views, dude. This is amazing, man. Like, oh my god, I'm shocked at how catchy this was. I love how colorful it is too. I feel like I've seen this set in like so many music videos too. Like, I feel like I've seen this for like Q&A by 17 and Ailey, and I don't know, like, these colors just, they're so poppin' too, man. The saturation, this is my kind of K-pop though, cause like, I don't know, the more colorful it is, it just really eye-catching, you know? These visuals, oh, they're so pretty, so cute. And like, hearing this again, after hearing, like, the drop is so different from it, dude. It's like, it's so simple and like innocent right now, but then they ramp it up, dude. Hey, hey. Oh, there's that line. Okay. Hey. A bob, dude. At this point, I'm going all in on this group, dude. Like, Allegro Cantabile was like pretty good, but this is amazing by them, dude. Such a good comeback. Probably one of my favorite comebacks of 2019, dude. For this new girl group, oh, they killed it, dude. This kind of reminds me of like Elris's comeback, you know, like with when they had Pow Pow. I feel like that's like the same kind of impact that I got from this. There's just, I don't know, like, I love so many things about this group now. I'm ready to really dive into this fandom. I don't even know if they even have a fandom name yet, but I feel like you can be pretty creative with what their fandom name can be, considering the name is Nature. I don't even know any of the members' names, but it's time for you to learn, for sure. Alright, that's it. I'm ending right there, okay. Alright, thanks for watching. Like the video if you like the video on me. For videos, let me know what you thought of Nature's You'll Be Mine music video, and click over here also to see my reaction to their debut music video, Allegro Cantabile, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Alright, lots of love. Yeah.